Grateful mornings, wanderers. Welcome back to another journey. Our first journey, actually, because I believe this will be the first video that I put out.
I really like you, you know. That's for real.
It's currently 6:24 in the morning. I'm running a little bit behind. I've been up since about 5 o'clock, but of course, you know, you hit the snooze button on the weekend.
Got him! Got him!
Let's get Shyra in the car. We're headed to Desoto State Park. Desoto State Park is 2 hours away from Atlanta, about 2 hours and 15 minutes, but you know, we don't count the 15.
Cause you high like Christina, baby. Say what? I really dig your demeanor, baby. Say what? Cover girl, you don't need it, baby. You don't need it, baby, in your life. I see you walking with Nina, baby. Say what? Cloud nine, I'm a dreamer, baby. Say what? Cause you my drug and I'm fiending, baby. I'm fiending, baby, for your high. Not to sound like a con, but I could tell your ex-man wasn't worth your storm. So
Y'all look at Shyra. Oh shit! Look at Shyra, y'all.
Look at me now.
Look at her now, because clearly I be doing her wrong. We made it! We are now in DeSoto State Park in Fort Payne, Alabama. If you come, you ain't gonna have no service.
I mean, well, who you with? Not with Sprint.
Not with T-Mobile.
Oh, we connected.
Not with Metro PCS.
Right.
At this point. Like, you ain't gonna have no service. Hold on, let me try to
None.
Oh,
I got it. Hold on. It said extended at first. Now it's working a little bit. Oh, nah, it ain't loading, y'all.
bruh.
So first of all, we had an issue with trying to figure out where this whole thing begins. I was stopped by the Welcome Center, which is in the clip above before this. I was stopped by the Welcome Center to get trail maps because some parks have like a gate and somebody to greet you. It said originally you're supposed to pay like $4 to
Park. Maybe that's for like camping.
Oh, they got a pool.
Area.
They got a pool.
I see.
Picnic area closed
That's
at
the fee area.
sundown.
So you have to pay to get in there. So not to hike.
So maybe not to hike, but to like go to the pool and stuff. It's a slide up there too. So it's a lot of stuff to do here. It's about
It says birding something. We done seen enough birds.
right, y'all. I hit a bird. The bird ran into me. Okay.
The bird hit us.
The bird hit me.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So we're starting at Talmadge Bridge, and we're gonna see the Azalea Cascade, and I believe the Lost Fall is also over here as well. They have a lot of, it says spring migrations and a lot of birds and woodpeckers and stuff that we'll see through this particular trail. The current time is 8:48, so we did make it up here in good time, and I did not stop and get gas. So yeah, that's just that. So we'll see y'all when we get to the water, maybe.
To the water.
Oh, I gotta take these down.
To the water.
So this bridge is named after one of the park rangers that used to work here. He passed away a couple of years ago and had to be very influential because they named this whole trail after him. Oh, excuse me then. Y'all look at Shyra head. Turn around.
Back up. Oh, I hear it.
Shyra hear birds and I hear water. Look at the arch, y'all. That's fire.
Yeah.
It's a cascade, so it's a small body of water. So that right there is the fall. Sorry. That right there is the falls. It's a small body of water. So we might not be able to find the Lost Falls, because if this isn't pouring out a lot of water, then maybe they didn't get enough water before we came.
We'll probably still be able to see it. Probably just won't be.
No. They say that if they don't get rainfall here,
Then it don't.
that's why it's called the Lost Falls. Yeah. All right, y'all. So we back in the car. We
What?
we went down the bridge. It's more so for like seeing birds, and that's not our purpose.
Right. We came for the water.
We came for the water. So, if you're the type of explorer who likes birds and listening to birds, cut that down.
For you.
That's definitely for you. So we're about to go to. See, I knew that said Indian Falls. We about to go to our next waterfall excursion, which I believe is Lodge Falls. We'll probably visit Indian Falls last, because that will remind us of how to get out of this area.
3,000 whoop-whoos later.
If you know how to read a map,
because we don't.
Like, we just kind of like walk and listen for water and then follow the water noises. But if you know how to read a map, this is perfect, you know, because so yeah, we done. Hey, we try to do the trail and we done got lost. Y'all, we done pulled up at somebody's house. Lord.
Flashback.
Are the maps dumb or is it just me?
That movie supposed to come out? Is that Jeepers Creepers? No, that's Candyman. Oh, it says where the river can. Oh, animals, nature.
Am I at somebody's house?
That would look like.
Oh.
That must be the animals.
Ah, hell. Sorry, we got lost.
End of flashback.
All right, y'all. We survived that encounter.
They were really nice.
He was really, really nice.
His son was like, let me go get my dad. Dad. Let me go get my dad, please. We just almost got attacked by cows.
Almost got the cows don't want us to leave. Definitely a suggestion to learn the map and or not go to the little falls, but just go to the main attractions. If you like hiking, then yeah, definitely go explore through the woods. You may see cows and horses just grazing, but maybe go to Desoto Falls, where it's more so a lot of people and you're not out and about. And if you got Verizon or AT&T, then your phone will work. But if you got anybody else, that's a dead situation. Oh, not a Trump sign.
We need to go past the Dollar General.
Oh, look, civilization.
I was just about to say that. It's a gas station.
It's a gas station. Where's the Dollar
Where's the Dollar General, right?
Lot of boring math later.
Y'all, you can take the girl out of Atlanta, but you can't take the Atlanta out of the girl. It's 8:47 in the morning. We over here eating our fries for breakfast.
Just hood.
Alright, listen, because the west side be the best side, and that's on per. Desoto State Park and Little River Canyon are in close proximity to each other. So if you ever come up here to Fort Payne, Alabama, I would definitely suggest you just do both. If you come early, time is moving a little bit slower out here. Yeah. A lot has happened in 30 minutes. That's all I'm going to say.
We're in DeKalb County, y'all.
Oh, yeah. Shout out to the East Memorial Drive.
No.
Wow. All right, y'all. So we at the Overlook at Little River Falls Overlook. Look at this view. I don't know if y'all can see it how we can see it. It's freaking gorgeous. So this is a 45-foot drop. And they have like a little map. It's gorgeous out here though. And the little butterflies. The second stop on this scenic trail that we're doing right now is about 11 or 12 miles. So this is the second part. The entrance is really rocky, but it's so pretty. It's so pretty, y'all. This is where you can see different wildflowers. All right, y'all, so we're about a good distance, not too far. Like the car is like over there, but we done came over here. Shyra done sit down. It's over with, right? And it was another car that was up there. You probably seen it in the clip like before this, but if I didn't show it, then it was another car that had drove up there, and we left everything in the car. The only thing we care about is making sure they don't try to get in my car and take our hot fries because
it's gonna be a problem.
take the wallet.
You can take the wallet out the car, but you can't take the hot Cheetos.
Period. That's a blessing. All right, y'all. So we're at the next one. So we thought those were eagles earlier trying to steal our hot fries, but apparently they're hawks. So this is called Hawks Glide. This is the view. So we were just kind of like sort of over there. Leave a comment below. Tell me, do you like, when you look at nature, do you like trees more? Do you like water more? Do you like just to look out and see flowers? Because everybody has, or mountains, everybody has their own type of skyline view that they prefer. I prefer like trees. I've always lived where my windows would face the trees. And they do, like these scenic routes, they do have like places where you can eat, sit and have like a picnic. If you want to take somebody out on a date up here, or you have kids. We came for the water, but the trees is just taking over at this point. You can hear it. We got to get to the water, y'all. But you always got to stop and admire God's work. And immaculate attention to detail. I would definitely suggest to drive the scenic route. All right, so for stop 4 on our scenic route trail is the canyon overlook. So this is actually, I believe, stop 5. One of them we didn't stop to because it kind of just looked at pastures and meadows. But this one overlooks the canyon. So I believe we're going over there too, so just remember this look. You can see the water down there. And then come this way. Zoom out for you. Definitely hear the water over here. I'll be quiet so y'all can hear it. This is Wolf Creek Overlook because I believe it looks over Wolf Creek. Not because there's wolves in the creek. We were just sitting right there, and this was the overlook that I pointed to before. But the camera just does this no justice. Yeah, so we're on top of like one of these boulder type things, and like when you look down, oh my god. You also can do helicopter rides here outside of like zip lining and stuff, so definitely I'm pretty sure a helicopter ride would be fire. Would be fire. Don't go chasing waterfalls all the time. I came to Fort Payne to look at the most beautiful waterfall I thought I would ever see, and we got lost. And turned around and attacked by cows. Met some people, stopped by the store to get some hot fries, and then did a complete detour from where we was originally going to go somewhere else. And it's like, if we never got lost, like, we wouldn't have found this area. Like, we wouldn't have found this. We wouldn't even came looking for this, because that's not why, like, we came up here. So sometimes, you know, we all make our own plans for life, and in situations we have like what we want to do, but Q Drake, period. Like, Q Drake, God's plan. And it always turns out that when it's like God's plan, it's like 10 times better than what you thought it was gonna be. I guess the message, or what we learned from this particular trip to Desoto Falls and Little River Canyon, was remain optimistic, always flow like water, go with the flow, and just kind of like take a step back. You know, it ain't always what you want to do. Let God take control. All right, y'all, so we're almost done with our scenic trail. This stop is called Crow Overlook, and I don't know if y'all can, boom. Y'all wonder why they call it Alabama the Beautiful. So it's a small little trail down. Can you see the water for real? I hope y'all can. It's freaking gorgeous here. I can't make this shit up even if I tried. All right, y'all, so this is the last part of the this scenic route, and these are, they call it a unique structure of rocks. People sign their names on it. Sound like I should have locked my car door this time. Emma and Chad, I hope y'all still together. All right, y'all, so we are now at Little River Falls. It's just outside of the scenic route. If you ever come up here and you get lost like we did, we got lost and found something way better. So hopefully this is just like just as amazing as what we just seen.
Right.
But you would just come down a little bit further, go over the bridge and make a right, and it'll look kind of like a whole bunch of cars out here. That's how you know you're there. And it does have accessibility, so if you want to bring like your grandma or you hurt yourself or something like that, you still can go down. All right, y'all, so I would definitely suggest to come here first. They have flyers.
You can go either way.
Yeah, so we can go here. So we're going down the regular route. Shyra is behind me.
Looking for snacks.
Looking for snacks. It's so pretty, y'all. Y'all, I prayed before. Look, Shyra, I prayed before we got here. I was like, Lord, please just let us see one waterfall. Y'all. And that's the ramp for accessibility. You can get in the water here. We couldn't figure out how they was getting over to the other side. Shyra said they just hopped in the fence, so we about to go hop. It said do not climb on railings. So we just hopped the fence and came over. This is the view from the other side. We was just kind of like up there in that area. Hopefully it's not too loud in the background, but we finally found water. All right, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera off and kind of enjoy the moment. I'll insert some clips so that y'all can see like what it looks like and stuff. But as much as I love recording and getting it for you, I do have to also live in the moment. Unplug for a bit. So I hope y'all enjoy the pictures. Leave a comment below, let me know what part of the nature trail you enjoyed the most. It was worth it to come here. Alright, y'all. Hey Wanderers, just popping in because I didn't close out the vlog officially. I wanted to thank you all for traveling and experiencing this journey with us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe this video with your friends, and let us know in the comments if you would like to travel to Desoto State Park. It was a lot that we didn't get to see, so also like and thumbs up if you want us to do a part 2. Never forget, even though we wander, we're never lost. Happy Wandering Wednesday. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and stay safe. Bye.